What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to continue from where we left off in yesterday's episode, which was basically continuing a possible breakout that we pretty much planned for quite a while now, which is actually pretty awesome. You can see a couple of days ago here, if not into last week, granted I was home last week, but I was able to get out quite a decent amount of videos. We basically covered the fact that we are coming to the end of XRP's kind of ascending fractal here. You can see right here on, this is 6 or 7 days ago here, the ascending fractal forming, saying that we're so close. You could see 5 days ago, another point showing that we're getting very near to that end. And as you can see, slowly but surely filling in the gap, we started to see the breakout right here. And then we actually had the explosion that shot us to the upside, which is very exciting. I'm very glad that this actually happened because we were able to capitalize off this run. Now, we did go back and forth consistently in regards to this breakout, whether or not that we were going to break up or break down, and honestly it really didn't matter. We knew that volume was slowly dying off. We knew that the price was constricting here, filling in the gap. You can see how the volume and the price swings were huge at first, and then they slowly started to get smaller and smaller and smaller. We said that at the latest, we could probably see it happen the beginning of October, but we always have a tendency to break out earlier, and that's typically what we see XRP do. And lo and behold, that is exactly what happened here. We had the confirmation on the 4-hour closure. It was confirmed right here. And then that was the opportunity to buy in. And since then, that buy-in opportunity prevailed, and we rallied all the way to the upside here. I mean, a huge rally from buy-in opportunity, about 9%. And I did say in yesterday's episode specifically that it's probably going to start to see correction here. There's a good chance we're going to start to see correction here unless we close a certain resistance level. So I'm very excited to go over all this in today's episode with you. Definitely make sure though to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, very exciting news. Bydfi just emailed me this morning. They have new updates, new promotions going on here. You can see you can earn up to $300 in exclusive promotions here. Join today. You can get a $50 reward. First deposit gets another $50 bonus. Trading bonuses up to $100. Complete KYC. Get another $100 rewards. So you can earn $300 in free cryptocurrency by simply using the platform. It's literally that simple. And then everything you do, you could just withdraw your original deposit money out, and you'd be left with $300 in free cryptocurrency to do whatever you want with. Leverage trade, so on and so forth. It's very cool. So make sure to check out Bydfi down in the description below. They are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use, and they are completely free to use as well. More information as well as a way to earn over 2K in free bonus money will be later on in today's video. But diving into the technical analysis here, you can see, I just want to show you really quickly on XRP. We're going to start here. We did have this breakout. Now we can go back a couple weeks ago here. You'll notice that we were forming a big descending fractal here, lower high, lower low pattern, filling in the gap quite nicely. Started to consolidate upwards after bottoming out, filling in this gap, and then we had, boom, a breakout. We had this resistance break, and we exploded to the upside here, and this then started a new rally. So we took advantage of this this original major rally to the upside here. Huge profits were earned, and then we said, okay, take a breather. We're going to consolidate like a basketball after bounce. If you slam a basketball to the ground, we rally up, and then we start to slowly consolidate. And this consolidation forms a new technical indicator. Said, wait for the technical indicator to form, and then we'll know where to buy in or how to trade after that. And you can see that's exactly what we did. We started to form a new technical indicator. Took a while to trade. From the 13th to the 28th, about 2 weeks, we had consolidation take place on XRP. And as we consolidated, we slowly were adjusting these charts to include new resistances, new supports, trying to find where exactly the technical indicator was. Once we found those supports and resistances, we knew when that break would come, and then boom, it happened right on the dot like we were talking about on the channel here, which is very exciting that rally happened exactly when we thought it would. You know, we knew exactly the resistances and supports to wait for in order to buy in, and that's exactly what happened. But as I said in yesterday's episode, it's time to consolidate. We made a huge discussion. We had a huge, kind of video topic to talk about the fact that the buy-in for XRP really comes, for those that missed out on that 4-hour trade, comes with the massive weekly descending fractal. Take a look here. You can see XRP since like 2023 has had this lower high, lower low pattern, clearly rejecting resistances up top and falling lower. Numerous occasions where we've rejected here, numerous occasions where we've used support. And you can see for the first time ever since this started, we confirmed a closure outside of here. Now, I'm trying to find any reason to doubt it. Like, could we move it up higher? I don't think so. This is the first time we actually had a weekly candle close us above this major resistance. I don't think we can scale it higher. I just don't think it's likely here. So with that being said, with the confirmed closure outside major resistance here, this is huge. Now we could come back down and use support here, but inevitably, I do believe now that we've broken this, now that we saw a major rally, remember, we even bought in at support here back in the day when we were at 40 cents. And now we're at 64. So this was a huge opportunity in the making here. And we're not even overbought just yet on the weekly charts. I am a believer now that there is a lot of room to head higher. This is very exciting. Probably correction first, followed by rallies to the upside. I think there's a lot of hope right now on XRP since we rallied out. Now you can see in the past, we have rallied in the past here outside of it. So it's going to be weird. It's going to be wonky. Part of me wants to say, green light to buy in. And another part of me says, this might not be that accurate as we've wicked above it in the past. And there's a good chance we can come back down and correct. I don't know. I mean, I'd love to hear your opinions on that because this shows enough certainty that we're due for a rally. But inevitably, even if that rally was to come, it's not going to be without correction first. So maybe hold off on the buy-in if you haven't already. If you're already in it, obviously take your profits. But good chance we could reverse off. So sit tight. Let's see how this decides to pan out moving forward here because we are overbought on a lot of these cryptos, and I'd likely think we need to correct a little bit downwards first before we start to rally up. But these trades are going to be possible on Bydfi, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. This is how we've done all the previous trades because Bydfi offers XRP to leverage trade, which is very unique, unlike other exchanges here. Market orders, stop limit orders, take profits, stop losses, reduce only, trailing stop losses, everything you'd want on an exchange is offered on Bydfi completely free. They then have a welcome rewards bonus and a demo trading account. And my favorite part is the fact that, as you can see right now, their spot trading has 0 fees. This is huge because the markets are so consolidated right now. Bydfi wants to offer something that basically allows you just more incentive to use their platform. So the fact that there's 0 maker and 0 taker fees is huge. That means you can go ahead and convert cryptos into all the cryptos you want, send Bitcoin to the exchange, convert it into USDT and send it out, with extremely low trading fees. USDT BSC has fairly low 40-cent trading fees, unlike Ethereum network or Bitcoin. And you can convert it for free, which is huge. I've been using the 0% maker taker fees every week, which is incredible. Just thought I would let you guys know that. But they have a way where you can earn over 2K on top of the bonus money that you can earn here, $300, which is epic. You can earn over 2K in rewards by completing the tasks. Very simple, very easy. There's tons, or even to earn over 5K. So it's huge. Make sure to check these out. Once you accumulate those, then head over to their demo account. They give you 50 grand in demo money here. Practice your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn to trade, and once you can make some positive consecutive trades, you can use a live account to trade on, and then all the money you earn off the, you can trade around not only live, but you'll use that bonus money that you accumulated. So let's say you have $200 in bonus money, $500 in bonus money, leverage it, and then all the profit you earn off that, you can withdraw completely free to your bank account, so on and so forth, which is very easy. And with leverage, you can turn $100 into $1,000. You turn $100 into $3,000. You can make a lot of profit without a little money. So a little goes a long way in this sense here, which is epic. Anywho, moving forward from XRP, Solana is starting to consolidate. You can see XRP and Solana both broke outside major resistances here. So it's likely that this small correction followed by reversal is definitely a big factor and a big possibility on a lot of these cryptos. Same thing with Ethereum here. I don't think it has enough energy to rally up higher, so I do think consolidation is necessary. Bitcoin consolidating back down, likely to cause correction. That's what we expected here. I told you guys that that was inevitable as we were hitting resistance here. There's a good chance rejection was going to happen. And that is exactly what happened. That's so funny here. Not a surprise at all. Like I've been saying, I think we're overbought on a lot of these cryptos, and correction is due short term before we see any sort of rally. Stock market looks all right as well. starting to consolidate up. Not too bad, but I do think we are due as well for a small correction followed by reversal. Anywho, that's it for today's video. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.